everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with another project share for Globleland. I can't speak right now. Globleland, and I will leave their link down below. And excuse me, Sadie. And this is a witch on a broom with a cute little cat. So I'm going to say this is me, and then that's Sadie die. And I love that die. And this is what it looks like cut out. Look how pretty. And it cut out like butter. Look how pretty she is. That cat. Look at that. Are them not adorable? And what I decided to do was make a memory dex card. Focus, focus, focus. And what I used, and I'm knocking everything over. Normally that's Sadie knocking everything over, but that wasn't me this time. So give me a second, guys. All right. I gotta watch her. I used this paper, and it's the Spooky from Pebbles. And then I used this ephemera pack for this right here. And let me show you the memory dex card. I love the way it turned out. It's so stinking cute. There she is. And there's the cat. And I just cut this out of the paper. I fussy cut it out, these ghosties. And I put some gold bling in the middle of each of the cobwebs. And this says, "Something wicked this way comes." Is that not adorable? I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I love this die. And what I did was I cut it out of black paper and then cut foam too to make it pop up. And then that's the back. I haven't put a pocket or anything on it, but I really love the way this turned out. It's so super cute. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. And I pray that God blesses each and every one of you. And you have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.